Is it possible to make money on YouTube without actually making videos? Okay, I'm going to go over 10 steps that you can use to earn money on YouTube without making videos. Did you know that you can make videos on YouTube without actually showing your face and bank on it? Hey, Shelly Hopkins, subscribe to my channel and I'm going to do a series where you can make money online on YouTube and not show your face. So subscribe, hit the notification bells so you don't miss any of this series, and let's get into it. Okay, did you know that you can actually download videos from other channels and then upload them on yours? Do you think you can really do that? Yes. As long as the video has the Common Creative license, you're able to take that video and then you can put like music on top of it, do a voiceover, and we're going to talk about all of this in this video. And then it makes it your video. All you have to do is give credit to that person, either in your video or just in your description. Pretty cool, right? But look at this one, Mojo Travels. Okay, they're doing the same thing. And look at this. I mean, that's a lot of views, right?
This underrated gem needs to be on your travel radar. Welcome to Mojo Travels, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 reasons to visit Taiwan.
See, top 10 reasons? You could do a whole channel on top 10.
Nothing inspires a vacation quite.
Okay, I wonder how much money they're making. Let's see. Okay, you can do Social Blade, and it is a Chrome extension, and then it'll add it on your YouTube channel for you. So if we look at Mojo Travels in Social Blade, it usually gives us a roundabout estimate how much they're making. So if you look at that, that's not bad. That's yearly, monthly. So I would say kind of guesstimated a little bit in the middle, more on the higher end. It's not bad monthly, don't you think? So I'm going to show you how to do this. But in a nutshell, you go to YouTube, you find the video, you download it, re-upload it, monetize, done. Because when you monetize it, as long as you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you're going to bank. The YouTube Partner Program can pay pretty good depending on your niche, because some niches pay more than others. So you might want to research that too. The first thing they have to do is actually create the channel, right? And if you want step by step, just go to this, pause this video, go check out this video, and it shows you how to set it up step by step. But you go into settings, you can use your Gmail. I suggest actually using a different Gmail account, or you can just keep adding your channels on the exact same Gmail account. That's just up to you. Step 2 is you got to figure out what your channel is going to be about. So what niche? So there's a lot of pets that do this, like cat channels, dog channels. There's travel, meditation is really popular. Like there's also like the top 10. There's, did I say travel? I know that one's really popular. So you could research it and see what good ideas for your niche. And also, I remember I was saying, depending on what your niche is, one might pay better than the other two. But you also think about the search. When you search for them, is enough people watching the niche that you actually want? Step 3 is, remember me telling you about the YouTube Partner Program, where you got to get monetized. So once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, then you're monetized and you're good to go. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that could be hard. But if you upload videos on this kind of content, I would suggest one a day if you can. or even 3 a week. Just whatever that you can do on this type of content in the beginning. If you can post the more, the better it is. And then later on you can spread it out. Okay, step 4 is getting your content. So you can actually go on YouTube. I was searching on cats. So if you want to do Creative Commons, you can do filter, Creative Commons, and then you can also click on filter again. And you can do it by view count. And this is just an example. And you can scroll through here and check out if any of these videos, first you want to make sure that they're doing good. You can check out and see if it has Creative Commons. So this channel is doing basically the exact same thing. So that's one way you can do it. So you can take the video, you can download it, and if you go to youtubevideodownloader.com, then on that site it can actually help you download the actual video. And the other way is to use stock footage and then voice over, and a lot of people are doing this. And there's places where you can go like Pixabay and Envato Elements. Pixabay is free, and Envato Elements is like $15 a month or something like that. I pay for it yearly. And both of those places, and there's several of them out there. And you can go and you can choose videos. You can choose music. The music from Envato is what I use on all of my videos. You can use pictures. You can do slideshows. And you can get all of your content that way. You can also make money in the videos with affiliate marketing. Now, there's several places that you can use. One is Amazon, which is Amazon Associates, depending on, the product or the video. And then there's Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, and real popular is ClickBank. A lot of people use ClickBank. And if you go to ClickBank and you go to Marketplace, and then if you scroll down here, it says categories. There's arts and entertainment, business investing. On arts and entertainment, for example, if you come down here and you find, that's a piano for all. So say you had a YouTube channel and it was a piano, it was music. Then you're going to make $20. So then you would just click on promote. Then you get your link. It'll generate a hop link. And then you take that link and you put it in the description of your video. And then when they click on the link and if they buy it, then you get $20. Another good idea is if you go down to Home and Garden, and then there's a lot in here. For example, Doggy Dan's online dog trainer. Okay, remember me saying the animals are good. So say you had a dog or animal channel. Bingo, Doggy Dan's online dog trainer, $74.53. I found a dog video. So TV for dogs, how to relax, my dog TV with calming music. So, we could add that on here, and where they have links, this is where it's showing you the links in the video. And you can even have more than one thing. Like it was talking about music. So you say you had music to sell, you could put that on there as well as like the link to the ClickBank product. Step 5 is to optimize the videos for success. So you need to have a great title, a great thumbnail, and tags, and also your description. Now, there are 2 things that can help with this, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So they're extensions, and they're free. I'll also put them down in the description below. But they can also help you with your tags. If you use TubeBuddy and you pay like $5 a month, it'll provide all of the tags for you. And then when it comes to the research and everything, vidIQ is number 1 when it comes to research. because it can show you exactly what you're looking for and if it's good enough to actually use, or maybe use it later on down the road. Step 6 is getting monetized and putting ads on your videos. So hopefully by this point you are monetized. And I suggest putting ads on the beginning and the end and the middle, and making your videos around 8 to 10 minutes long. But I don't advise you putting ads all the way through the video, because then you run into the viewership, and who wants to watch a video that has ads all the way through it? But at the same time, you want to make money, so I suggest putting ones at the beginning, end, and middle. Number 7 is editing your videos where it's fair use, or you can always hire it out. Stay to the end, and I'm going to show you how you can hire everything out if you want. So you're going to need editing software. There is OpenShot, it's free. There's OBS, it's free. But there's also Filmora 9, which is what I use. And it's like $59 for lifetime. And you get unlimited updates. And it's easier, and it's more professional, and you can do all kinds of stuff with it. So here's some example. This is I used this because I'm recording this video. You can add in from the sound, the cuts, the edits, which also reminds me about voiceover. You can literally take your cell phone and record the voiceover on a phone. This is an iPhone 11. It doesn't matter. Even the older models, you can do that. Or just go to Fiverr and you can pay someone. Pretty simple, right? And then you use that voiceover on your video. And then in your software, you can just add it in and it'll overlay over the video. Number 8 is upload. I've said this once and I'm going to say it again. On this kind of videos, you want to do 1 a day if you can. If not, I would say 3 a week. And if you will upload 30 to 50, even if they're 3 minutes long, but I said try to go to 8 to 10. And then you will see, like say you're doing animals and the cats are performing better, then you might want to even niche down further and do it more on just the cats. But you're going to be able to see everything a whole lot better once you've uploaded 30 to 50 videos. Number 9 is thumbnails. Thumbnails are important. Okay, you got to have a good thumbnail or no one's going to click on it. So you can make it yourself. I have a video right here I'll put where I made a video on making thumbnails in Canva. Or you can go to Fiverr and you can just hire somebody to make the thumbnails for you. Number 10 is your analytics. A lot of people overlook your analytics, but if you use your analytics and look and see, you can see when people are dropping off of your videos, and then you can change where they're dropping off. You can look at your analytics to see the most popular videos. Again, once you upload 30 to 50, you're going to be able to go in your analytics and see which is the ones that most people are looking at, that you're getting subscribers on certain videos, how many likes you're getting. You got to use your analytics. And guys, if you're not wanting to do this yourself, you can actually outsource everything. You can go to Upwork or you can go to Fiverr and hire people to do your videos. You can even hire them to do the overlays, the voiceover, the editing. You don't have to do really any of it yourself. So as long as you hire someone to do, just start from the beginning. You get your thumbnail, have them do your thumbnail, get that paid for. Then you can do your voiceover, your editing, and all you have to do is upload the video and then optimize it. That's it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave me a comment down below on what you liked the most. And there's also going to be a YouTube checklist if you want down below that can help you set up your whole entire channel if you don't have it set up yet. And there's a video right here. It'll help you and walk you through visually setting your YouTube channel up. All right. See you on the next one. Thanks.